Hi, my name is Connor Davis. Everywhere is looking for generator techs and diesel techs. I could go anywhere in the country, especially when they hear that I've gone to Ohio Technical College, that I've gotten certifications that I have. They have all been very excited. I've called places in Alaska, Washington, California, Arizona, Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina, the New England states, Ohio, Michigan, Indiana. There are opportunities everywhere. I'm only one person, so I can only take one of those jobs. There are people all over that are very interested in hiring the gen set, skill set, diesel mechanics skill set.
Hello, my name is Mark Hildebrand. After graduation, I plan on going to Buckeye Power Sales in Twinsburg, Ohio. What really took me towards Buckeye Power was they're a smaller shop. It's more one-on-one. They're willing to work with me. I'm not just a number, you know, they actually care about me. They're kind of like a family. I owe a lot of that to Ohio Tech.
My name is Nash Walsh. 4 weeks, I will be starting at Ohio Cat in Perrysburg, Ohio as a field service tech for generators. I'm going to start training with another technician, shadowing him in a service truck for 8 months, and then they're going to move me into my own service truck to just do basic maintenance on generators. Generators is the best way to go.
Matt Clemens. If you would have asked me a year ago where I thought I was going to end up, I wouldn't have said Ohio Cat. They came here back in March and did a presentation. Right away when I said I was at OTC and I'd like to get into power systems working for Cat, and the guy who I interviewed with, he goes, "Oh, with Mox." And I'm like, "Yep." He said he's known Mox for years. And about a month later, I followed up again, got an interview, and before I knew it, I had a job with them already lined up before I even graduate.
Hi, my name is Noah Stanley. During the hiring event, I came across the company Nixon Power. They were looking to hire people coming out of the generator program. Had a phone interview before I even started class. They sent me a contract for 2 years, paying for all my schooling for generator program. Benefits, I'll get an extra $1 an hour if I graduate top 10%. I have a secure job. Best thing I'm happy about is I get a company truck first day. It came down to it. I liked what Nixon had to offer.
Hi, I'm Brandon Perkins. Nixon came for the career fair. When they asked me where do I want to go, they have the map of their different regions of where they're at. So do I need to go to a certain area? You're going to place me somewhere? And they just said, nope, where do you want to go? That's kind of how I decided that was the company for me, because they were just the most open and allowing me to go wherever I wanted. They brought us down for a weekend trip. We went down and they kind of showed me around the shop and what they do on a regular basis. Went out on a service call. A really cool experience to be able to be appreciated, that they cared so much for me to bring me down there and show me everything. Once I knew that I had a job, it was definitely a weight off my shoulders to know that, okay, I've got my career set, just got to finish this next 12 weeks and I'll be ready to go.